How to turn the camera or video flash on and off on the iPhone 13. Welcome to one of How to Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn that camera flash on and off. So the first thing we're going to want to do is just go into camera. Depending on where you're at in your camera, what you're using. If you are in the photo setting, once you're in the photo setting, there's a little icon right up on the top here. You can see that there's a little lightning bolt with a line through it. Maybe yours doesn't have a line through it. It means you are on auto mode. So with the line crossed out, that means that is the flash off. If you select it, that is the flash on auto. So if it's on auto, the phone automatically determines whether the flash needs to be on or off, and it takes a picture then. If you want to set it to the on, to where no matter what goes on, no matter what happens, it'll always be on, go ahead and hit this little arrow, and you will see the little icons appear down here at the bottom. Go ahead and hit that lightning bolt again. You will see there is a flash auto, flash on, or flash off. So as you guys can see, I set it to flash on and took a picture. As you guys can see, it lit everything up and took a picture there. If you go back in and you set it to off, same setting, go ahead, and I just hit it and it just took a picture just like that without turning the flash on. And if you set it to the auto, then once again the phone will determine whether it needs that flash on or not. So let's say we take put it in a little dark situation. You will see then right up here, it'll tell you how many seconds it's going to take to render or think about that photo before it takes it. So it's telling you to hold still. 2 seconds are up, and it just took a picture. The flash did not turn on. It just took that red picture of whatever of my hand that was back there. So that is the flash on and off and auto settings for the camera. If you want to go into your video screen, go ahead, just swipe. And from here, we will be looking to the video. So let's say it took you to the panorama. All you got to do is just slide over till you are in video. And then from video, right up here, top left-hand corner, same thing. Select it. That is flash auto, and this will be flash off. So if you're recording, flash off, no matter how dark it is, put my hand up here again, and I'll show you guys. Boom, start recording. There's no flash, nothing's getting lit up here. And if we were to put it in the auto mode, this is not the on mode, that's the auto mode. Once again, I turn it on. As you guys could see, the flash does turn on for that auto mode to get that light on. So there you guys have it. That is your flash settings. There is no way to set it to permanently on for video. There is for the camera, but not for the video. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with anybody who might need this help. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 13 and 13 series phones, be sure to check out that iPhone 13 playlist in the description below. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a good day.